Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Robert Jezelowski. I am a full-time faculty member, associate professor in the BSW program in Indiana Wesleyan, and I am the subject matter expert for SOC 150. Welcome to this course. It's going to be an exciting ride. With psychology, we tend to look like inside a person for their motivations and intentions. With sociology, we talk about how those intentions and motivations then interplay with the rest of the world. How do they interplay with other people? And therefore, sociology is like the study of infinite possibilities, if you will, because everybody is different. So in workshop 1, we're going to tackle some basic knowledge about sociological perspectives, just so we can kind of get all on the same page and start discussing things in this really interesting topic. We are introducing a new devotional written by our very own Dr. Michelle Wells, who is the director of the BSW program. It's called My Ramblings, and that's going to be the basis for your devotionals all the way through the course. You have a reading assigned for this week. It's chapters 1, 2, and 3. And you also have a discussion board kind of about the historical roots of sociology. So we kind of want to start with a strong foundation. And then you have an assignment, which is what is sociology. So we're just kind of helping you kind of start this well. And start this on solid footing. And then at the end of the week, you'll have a short quiz that is open book, so I'm sure you'll all do well. If you have any issues, I encourage you to reach out to your professor, whoever's teaching the course, and I wish you well.